Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome John H. Cunningham, Senior Vice President of Alexandria Real Estate Equities, Incorporated.
Bonsoir, madame et monsieur. Mais je parle en anglais. On behalf of Joel Marcus and Alexandria Real Estate Equities and Alexandria Venture Investments, it is our honor to be here this evening. Thank you to the Galien Foundation, in particular to its chairman, Bruno Cohen, and the awards committee chaired by Sue Desmond-Hellman for all of their work in organizing the 12th Prix Galien USA Awards and the 9th Galien Forum, which we are proud to host at the Alexandria Center for Life Science here in New York City. A big thank you to Dr. Vagelos for helping to build the Galien Awards and Forum into what it is today. Thank you also to Oracle and all of the supporters for this event. Congratulations, nominees, and thank you for your dedication to the advancement of human health. Some of you may wonder why a real estate company is here as a platinum sponsor. In fact, this is the 9th year that Alexandria has been a platinum sponsor of the Galien Awards and the Forum. For those of you who don't know us, and maybe some who do, Alexandria is the largest owner and operator of commercial life science space in the world, with our key clusters including Greater Boston, San Francisco, San Diego, Seattle, Maryland, RTP, and here in New York City. However, the vibrant life science ecosystem we build goes far beyond bricks and mortar. Alexandria was founded on the belief that if we build rich ecosystems around the world's best and brightest minds, we can drive innovative solutions to the world's most devastating challenges in human health, facing human health. To that end, we make venture investments into early-stage life science companies through our venture arm, Alexandria Venture Investments, and Alexandria's seed capital platform. To date, we have over $1 billion under management with early-stage companies, which over the last several years has led to 50 new IPOs. In fact, here in New York City, we have invested more than any other venture company into the early-stage life science companies. We nurture seed-stage companies through the Alexandria Launch Labs, which now is home to over 20 companies in New York City. And we have additional Alexandria Launch Labs opening in 8 other locations around the country, including one at Columbia University here in New York. We also facilitate collaborations through stakeholder events like the Alexandria Summit or the Galien Forum, which took place today at the Alexandria Center. All of these elements are critical to creating environments where biomedical science and technology communities thrive and life-changing technologies and therapies are born. We're honored that of the 40 nominees being recognized here tonight, 50% of these companies are Alexandria tenants, and each cluster I mentioned earlier is represented. That's not a surprise because over 50% of the FDA approvals of the past several years have come from the nearly 600 companies in Alexandria's 30 million square foot portfolio. What this means for patients and their families is profound, and we are proud to play our small part. As a regional director for Alexandria here in New York City, I've seen the emerging cluster go from only a few companies like ImClone Systems and Intracellular Therapies to over 50 companies at the Alexandria Center. The momentum in the industry and here in New York City is fantastic, and Alexandria is developing and acquiring additional sites here now to ensure we have a 10-year pipeline for the continued growth of the cluster. I look forward to seeing some of our great emerging companies here in New York City being honored in the future. So again, thank you to all the nominees. A special congratulations to Bill and Melinda Gates for being honored here tonight with the Roy Vagelos Pro Bono Humanum Award for Global Health Equity. And thanks to the Galien Foundation, and whether you take home a Galien tonight or not, you are all soldiers on the front lines of fighting disease and seeking innovative solutions to help improve human health. So thank you very much.